Hello my dear fellow foodies, this is Colin and welcome to my channel Culinary Delights. Today we embark on a noble quest to make this amazing green bean casserole from scratch. Why? Because we want to give our family the very best on Thanksgiving and on Christmas. Just a quick fun fact, this culinary classic was invented at Campbell's Soup Company by Dorcas Riley in 1955 and it's consumed by over 20 million Americans on Thanksgiving and again on Christmas Day. Alright, here we go. We've got fresh green beans, a pack of your favorite mushrooms, a medium onion for the soup, 2 medium onions set aside for the fried onions later, a cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Give the green beans a thorough washing, then go ahead and chop those green beans up. Next we're going to prepare the fried onions. Cut the onions into wheels and separate them. Add 2 cups of buttermilk to the onions and mix until everything is covered. Let the onions marinate for about an hour. In a bowl, add the flour, salt, the onion powder and the garlic powder and mix until all the dry ingredients are blended together. Heat up the oil over medium heat, then shake off the excess buttermilk from the onions and dip the onions into the dry mix, ensuring all the onions are covered with the flour mix. Add a piece of onion to the hot oil to ensure it's hot enough. Once it's hot enough, the onion will rise to the top. Now, add the onion rings to the oil and fry until golden brown and crunchy. Do this in batches to ensure that they are evenly cooked and not boiled. Make sure you place the fried onions onto a paper towel lined drainer. This will prevent the onions at the bottom becoming soggy from all the excess oil. In a separate pot, go ahead and add the cut green beans and boil until they are al dente. They will cook further once placed in the oven during the final stage. Drain the green beans and set aside. We are now going to make the delicious soup that is the star of this dish. As I said before, everything is made from scratch. So let's start. You will need about 10 mushrooms, 1 medium onion, 3 tablespoons of butter, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon each of salt, pepper, garlic powder and onion powder, 2 cups of milk, 1 can coconut cream, then fine dice the onion. Now dice the mushrooms and fry until fully cooked. Remove and place in another bowl. In the same pot, add the butter, add the flour and make a roux. Once the roux is golden in color, begin to slowly add the coconut cream and keep stirring until it is fully incorporated and creamy. At this point, add the mushroom and onion mix and stir in. Add the salt, pepper, garlic powder and onion powder and stir in. Let's add the 2 cups of milk in parts until it's all incorporated. It'll thicken up as it cooks. We are almost done with the dish. We are now going to assemble it all together. Add all the soup mixture to the green beans and give it a good stir until all the green beans are smothered in the soup. Let's add the green bean mixture to your favorite baking dish. And let's spread out evenly. Now add the fried onions to the top of the green beans. Preheat your oven to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, that's about 180 degrees Celsius. Place it in the oven for about 35 to 45 minutes. Just look at that delicious, freshly made green bean casserole. Time to give it a try. All I can say is, now that's lekker. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and hit the like button and share it with your friends. Wishing you and your family a happy Thanksgiving or a very Merry Christmas. Until next time.